welcome to suite number 1 at Jan's Hotel. I'm accompanied today on this tour by, what's your name?
Savannah.
All right, Savannah's going to help show us around. Go ahead and close the door, sweetheart. All right, here is the living room, which is 2 little chairs and a nice little dining area right here. Cool thing about oceanfront rooms is that they face out to the sea. You can see we have a view of a nice dock right here and the bustling village of Caye Caulker. Nice artwork right here. Then one thing that's important to us is the kitchen. Savannah, do you want to go ahead and point out everything in the kitchen? Dish towel, and a sink, cool little mini fridge here. And what's in the mini fridge? You want to open it and show what we have in here? Oh, water. The wine does not come with the room. All right, so on to...
And eggs.
Oh, and eggs.
Chocolate.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we travel stocked. So nice thing we have coffee here as well, plenty of utensils. And in the bathroom, which is nice, that's a really nice touch. What did they do, like a flower? Okay, yes, those are pretty cool. Or a fan or whatnot. Stocked with toiletries. If you do dry your hair in the Caribbean, dry your hair. Nice little touches. On the wall, the designer on me is always going to notice the tile work, nice accent tile here, and a nice bathtub. So when we were in San Pedro, we stopped by a soap shop there and bought some bath products. So it was great that we'll be able to use them here. All right, thanks for your help, Savannah. Moving on to the bedroom. Yeah, so it doesn't have a pull-out sofa like what we're used to where Savannah would usually sleep. So, but at least there's a king bed. So where are you sleeping tonight?
In Mommy and Daddy's bedroom, and Ebony's bedroom, and Randy's bedroom.
That's right. So very nice furnishings here. Ceiling fan, which is always a plus. You know, get that. Yep. Whoop. Still trying to work out my smooth thing. Stabilizer.
There's a picture.
Oh yeah, we have artwork right here.
Fish.
Nice view from the bedroom as well. Nice blackout shades too, so when you want to sleep in. Oh, where's the hummingbird? Oh, yep, there we go. Another video right there. So, yep, and TV and AC.
And no smoking.
No smoking, which is good. We don't like rooms where you smoke because it always lingers behind and it's just a disaster.
Yeah.
All right, so, oh, can you open a closet?
Yes. It's a great size for me to lay on, but it's not comfy.
Yeah, that will be plenty of space for our suitcases. All right, so we are going to wrap this up, starting with, let's see, we got, let's go to the kitchen, here, outside. Okay, we're going to wrap it up with the view outside. Savannah, you want to lead the way? Oh, and what do we have here? Nice little sitting area outside too. I can't wait to sit out here and watch the sunset this evening.
Is that a cool log table?
All right, that wraps it up. Thanks for your help, Savannah.
You're welcome.